Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my video about my living room makeover. So this is my living room and this sofa was actually from the brick, and it was a bad luck with this sofa. So in just from the first actually 6 months it's actually sinks. So I stuck with this sofa. Now it's time to change, so I ordered my new sofa from the Ashley. So tomorrow will be they deliver the sofa, so I'm cleaning the living room for the delivery. And I didn't make the big changes, I just made three major changes: the rug, the sofa, and I bought the new chair instead of the left seat. This rug is from the Wayfair, very beautiful. I really like the price. It was $259 and I really love the size, love the pattern because it's pop up on my floor. So I think it's 8 by 11 and it's really good size. So that's how I pick my color in the sofa. The sofa will be the cream. I ordered my sofa from Ashley. This is the first time when I bought from the Ashley. And the chairs are from the Structube. Also, the first time from the Structube, the price was really good. It's a $200 per piece chair, and the really nice colors in these chairs. I really like the royal blue velvet. So today is the day when the Ashley arrive and they will do the setup for me, and I'm really happy. But only one thing, the sofa took so long to deliver. As you see in the beginning of the video, like it was a Christmas time. I ordered way before the Christmas, and now it's after the Christmas. But I'm really happy with my purchase, and it really goes well with my decor. So I keep everything as it is, like my mirror, my pictures, but and this gold table also from Wayfair. And I really like the tone. It goes really nice with my decor. So if you really like my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe the channel so you can keep watching me on this channel. And for more exciting videos, I do the home decor and the lifestyle video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye. I will watch you in the next video. Thank you.